So we are going to wash this pool. It's just laying here because last night it rained so bad. You can see the water, but we are going to wash it because there's somebody somewhere who is going to pick it up. So we need to wash it. So this is how the pool so far looks like. This is upside down actually. The pool, this is outside. This is where it was facing down. From the inside, it's here. It's here from the inside. So we are going to wash outside first and then flip it and wash the inside and then fold it for the client to come and pick it up. Guys, it's a lot of work to wash it, but hey, it's worth it. It's worth it. So I just wanted to show you how this pool actually was massive. You can already tell it's huge. Lots of fun in here, but hey, it's time for it to go. It's time for it to go. I'm so excited because I am going to put something else where the pool was. But hey, this is how it's looking like. That's the ladder right there. So we have a lot of work to we have a lot of work actually to wash it, and we are using the brush. These brushes, I have like a couple of 3 more brushes, so we are going to use this. The water is right here, and actually we are going to use Dawn soap. Let me show you the soap and vinegar. Yeah, this is the soap. It's the Dawn, really good soap, guys. This soap, it does everything in your house. If you have this soap, you don't need anything. You just need Dawn and probably water, and then you're good. So because of the pool, we are going to mix with this vinegar. You can use any kind of vinegar, but this is what I have, and this is what I am going to use. So guys, the pool is going to look clean. Whoever is gonna use it, they're gonna have, I know they are going to have lots of fun. Okay, comment below, guys. Let me know what you think about this pool. Let me show you where the pool was before. This is the ground where the pool was installed before, but hey, we have a good project that coming here very soon, and I'm so excited. But hey, this is the pool where the pool was sitting. The ground was leveled. Oh my goodness, guys, you can tell it's huge place. These are the steel right here. I'm washing them. We're going to wash this so that we can pack them really well for somebody else to go use it. But this is the area where the pool was sitting. It's a huge area, and I'm excited what's about to come to this area, which I'll be showing you later. But this is how the ground looks like. This is the sand, fine sand that we put here, and we have used these blocks here to step on the side. Guys, this was amazing. It was a lot of work, but it was worthy every second and every sweat. I loved every moment of this pool here. So the next time we are putting a project, I'm going definitely to be showing you what is coming. Guys, look at those flowers from the neighbor. Don't you love those flowers? I love the purple color. I don't know though what kind of flowers are those. If you know, guys, let me know. Let me know. They look so good. Let me go closer so y'all can see. Let me go closer. Look at them. Look at this color purple. I love it. Look at it. Yeah. I love those flowers, although those flowers messed up my pool because they were just shedding in my pool. So all the time I was like cleaning my pool because of those trees, but they look beautiful. But I don't know what kind of tree is that, flowers that. Let me know, guys, if you know. Comment below and let me know, guys. Are you crazy? The pears are doing so well. Look at it. We have plenty. We have 2 trees of pears with motor lifestyle. Come on, guys. America is so good. So that's why I tell you guys, in America, actually, you can pretty much do everything you want. You can plant. You can have a pool. You can pretty much do everything you like. As long as you are willing to do it, it's gonna be so easy for you. Okay, and I have an update coming up about my stove, guys. Don't forget to tune in. Waiting for that video. The garden is doing so well. As you can tell, we are eating now from here. Everything are just harvesting and eating, guys. We having a ball in this backyard. This backyard has done a lot of for me. So if you have a backyard, make sure you use your backyard to plant all kinds of anything that you like. You can have a garden, you can have fruits, you can put a pool, you can just put a playground for the kids if you have the kids to play, because I hate seeing a backyard just sitting there doing nothing. I love to plant fruits. Actually, guys, that's my neighbor's pear tree. That's another kind of pear tree. Let me show you. These pears are so little tiny pears. Let me go closer and zoom it. This is how it comes, like that. It's actually, when it's ready, or maybe if you check on my videos, I've featured this pears before. So but when it grows, guys, I'll show you. They're different from this one. So mine, this is a different kind of pear, and that's a different kind of pear. Those ones are small and these ones are large pears. Okay, so I'll be showing you when they actually grow. So, and our stove, the update is coming, guys, so make sure you tune in to Umoto Lifestyle, because today my focus was about washing this pool. So as I told you guys, it rained last night, and actually we are going to wash it because somebody somewhere is going to pick it up. You know, we're so excited, guys. This is upside down. This is that outside. Inside is from the other side. As I told you guys, it's a large pool and it's summer. We're having fun here, guys. Comment below, what do you think? Will you install a pool in your backyard? Or if you have already installed, or if you're installed a pool, how was it? Did you manage to take care of it? How was it, guys? Because I found out that taking of the pool is very expensive, it's time consuming. If actually you don't have time, the pool is going to be hard for you, because the pool actually needs to be taken care of like you take care of a baby. It needs to be clean. You need to put some chemicals in there. You need to balance the water. It's a lot of work. So if you have that kind of time to take care of the pool, let me know, what did you do? For me, I devoted my time, actually the entire here, to take care of this pool. But unfortunately, I'm busy with my work, I'm busy with family, and I didn't have actually much time to kind of go back and deal with the pool. So I'm like, and my kids were like, we are so done. So that's why I have decided, or we have decided, to get rid of the pool so we can actually focus on something else. And you guys, if you have any comments about Umoto Lifestyle, make sure you watch the entire video, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think, guys. Let me know what you think. From my backyard to you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.